Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to fix Telegram issue that this channel cannot be displayed. So, for example, if you're using Telegram and if you get this error that you have a channel that cannot be displayed, watch this video and you'll be good to go. So, unfortunately, we cannot, I would say, use this feature from our app. So, we need to try something new, and that is we need to do it from the web, because on app there's no feature to do or to change it. So this feature can always be done always if you go to the web application. So for that, what you need to do, you have to go and type here. You can see this URL, web.telegram.org. So what do you need to do after logging into the web application? You need to click on these three lines right here, and once when you do it, you need to come down and click on settings, which is right here. So click on settings, and then you come down, and then what you need to do, you need to click privacy and security right here. And once when you're here, you need to come down, and here you see this section of sensitive content, and this option right here, show 18 plus content. Do not hide media that contains content suitable for only adults. You need to click it. And once when you click it, your problem will be solved and you'll be good to go. So that's how you actually fix this issue. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this.